Trevor at Valley Speed Machine Shop. Today we're going to look for a vacuum leak in this Corvette. This Corvette's running like it has a vacuum leak. And you can see the carburetor's kind of dirty and it looks like it's been leaking. Even around the intake and what have you. Just playing with the mixture screws and the idle, and it's inconsistent idle. It's acting like a vacuum. How I do that is with a can of this brake clean, and it's got the fire on it. It's flammable. The car is only supposed to burn fuel that's in the tank, and what we do. So with it running, if you spray this flammable brake clean, and there's a vacuum leak, it'll suck it in somewhere, and it will burn this stuff instead, and your idle will change. So I usually start, that's a good place. Spray a little bit around the base of the carburetor too, because those are famous for leaking. It's got a leak there. So you change the intake gasket and that'll fix that. And you should be able to set up that carburetor properly. Yeah. Thanks for watching. That was fun. We'll see you again.